there are certain theories over there, like we have a, transaction cost theory. Like for example, in what is the transaction cost theory? Agency theory over there. Okay, so there are two theories over there. Okay, so usually I want to conclude with the transaction cost theory. What is the transaction cost theory? Basically, they want to minimize the cost of the transaction between an organization over there. So what they do it, they to save the money, like for example in the market, so they do it. So they do it vertical integration. Vertical integration means like a line wise integrations, or it is mean like a horizontal, like for example not horizontally, vertically means in the upper line up from top to down. Okay, so you combine the different levels over there, hiring more employees, buying supplier and distributor over there. So they say that IT lower the cost. So IT lower the market transaction cost, making it worthwhile for firms to transact with other firms rather than grow the number of employees. So instead of hiring more employees, it is not like suitable for you to hire more employees, because it will lower the it will give you higher cost over there. So what you do, the IT, like for example, lower the market transaction cost for you. So the points which is involved in the transaction cost theory is like, as one of our student he said, search and information, bargaining and decision, and policy enforcement on that one. Yeah, and you just like you do bargaining, you make a policy over there, and you make enforcement on that one. So these are the different three aspects over there where you minimize the cost, because if you like hire more employees over there, and so it will cost you more. So what you do, you can do vertical integration. Okay, or if you don't do vertical integration, then you will hire more employees or buying supplier or distributor. So this will like cost you, of course it will cost you, but with the IT market it will lower the cost as well. Okay, so this is like one of the point which the author of this book want to make, that IT like lower the this is the learning point in this slide over there, that IT lowers the transaction cost. This is the main point over there. This is about the theory which you watched on the YouTube as well. That what is the, so firms seek to economize on the transaction cost, the cost of participating in the market. So vertical integration, hire more employees, buying this one. So these things can be, the transaction cost can be lower with the IT products over there. This is the main point in this one.